Welcome back, guys. Today is the first day of our trip around the East Cape of the North Island. So we have a week and a bit off work, so we are going to head up to Opotiki tonight and then work our way around the coast, coming back down to Gisborne, then back down to Napier, and then across back home to Taupo over the next sort of week and a bit. So definitely come along for that. It's a part of New Zealand that we have not been to yet. It's quite a remote part, quite a beautiful part, lovely coastline. There's an awesome lighthouse that we'll stop at. So yeah, come along for the trip. Got the drone, got the dogs, we got the kid. We've had a great start to the trip already. We're about 5 minutes in and he's fallen over and banged his head on the table, just missing his eye. So fun times. Team, welcome to Opotiki. So we have just arrived. First stop, there's an NZMCA park here we're staying at. It's just a patch of gravel really, but it's right next to town. It's Good Friday today, so everything's shut. We've heard of this cool place you can go swimming, so we're going to go check it out. So check out this place we found. The council have built on the river here rope swings and a slide just for the kids to hang out on. I think I might give it a go. Well, thanks for joining us, team, on that little swim. That was a pretty choice spot. We're about to get some showers going, get some dinner going. We'll see you in the morning. Good morning, team. We are just leaving Opotiki, heading further around the Cape to Waihau Bay. Hopefully stop, find a coffee on the way. See you there. Welcome to our home for the night. We are at the Waihau Bay campground. Great day today, nice day driving. Beach is just over the trees there, so we're going to go check that out in a sec. Yeah, lovely spot so far. The East Cape is quite remote. It's more remote than I thought it would be, but it's pretty beautiful. So yeah, we're going to go check it out. So under a lot of our canopies here in New Zealand, you'll see these green bushes with heart-shaped leaves. You see they're heart-shaped, sort of heart-shaped. These are kawa leaves, and this is actually dried out and made into a herbal tea. Thanks for joining us on our East Cape mission, part 1. Part 2, we're going to head over through Te Araroa and then to the East Cape Lighthouse. There's a campground down there. Super pumped about that. Trying to convince Chelsea to get up for a morning sunrise time lapse. Don't know if it's going to happen. So yeah, we'll leave you here and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.